And hello, peoples of the internet. That is I, and I'm back with more injustice. Anyways, season just ended, like quite literally just now, and this is the new season with Flashpoint Deathstroke, who really isn't a bad character. Now, I'm stuck on either, say, promoting this guy, saving up that 12k, on like promoting him and stuff, leveling him up, or leveling these guys up, or I buy another one of these silver booster packs. I'd say I've got a pretty good team right now, so I think I'm good. But this time I'll probably just do some survivor fights. Not survivor, Jesus Christ, I hate myself. Online fights. And do well. So yeah, let's go. Well, shit. Ooh, that Luther's gonna be a pain. Oh, that was not good. I'm sorry, who are you? Do it. That hurt. Oh yeah, I also bought some other shit. Like while you guys weren't looking. Earn 5k battle rating using Cyborg, Green Lantern, and Harley Quinn? Nah. Well, shit. Win one online battle without blocking. Damn. See, I bought Lead Rain for Green Lantern, and I bought Virtuous Strikes for Wonder Woman. Even though I literally did not upgrade them at all. And I've pretty much maxed out Sword Flip. So, yeah. I'm sorry? Seems like all that these guys want to do is block. Ooh. Ooh. That hit hard. Okay, why am I not getting hundreds? I like hundreds. I didn't realize that that was the case. Ow! Oh. Ooh. That did damage. You love to see that. The Giggler. This guy's username looks like GG Cheerio. I like that name. But then there's just a random T. Oh no. Wonder Woman v Wonder Woman. Oh, you also want to block, eh? I'm sorry. I'm sorry, but you're just gonna have to die. Why was that so slow? That was quick. Bruh, look at this. If all you're gonna do is block, of course I'm never gonna win. Oh no. Ow. Yeah. All she did was block and use shield toss. The fuck, man? The fuck? Yeah, new bonus missions. I don't care. Fuck it, let's do it again, because why the hell not? Y'all saw that, right? Oh, great. Go to Superman. Ugh. This is not going to go well. I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like this. Sorry. I'm just dying. Let me spam. Damn. Damn. He got wrecked. $3,000. Damn. Ooh, I'm halfway there already. Really? Oh no. Oh no. Okay, so for this guy, just don't use specials. Okay, got it. This is gonna be fun, I guess. Why do you do so much damage? Stop! Stop it, Luther. Luther, I said stop, you bitch. I was about to say GG's to... Yeah, GG's. I can't... Why'd you regenerate anyways? Well, GG. I don't like this. I'll see what I got here. Okay, so you got a Tombstone and a Toy Mallet. We got, I think that's Grundy. And Razor's Edge. Cool. Let's do it again. 'Cause why not? Oh no! I appear to be out of energy. Whatever will I do? Oh yeah. I'll just frickin' recharge. Because I'm good enough. But yeah, that Flash is gonna suck dealing with. So let's put Wonder Woman on this guy. Cyborg, can you just... Thank you. Oh really? Oh really? Now you wanna tag in, eh? Too bad. You're gonna die. Ow. Oh. Okay, that was odd. Well, that was weird. Oh no, 2 Sinestros. Why have one when you can have 2? God damn it. God damn it. God damn it. Okay. God damn it. God damn. I'm fine. did you? You know what? No. I knew it. Wow, 3 rights. How do you block when you're on the ground? Why did you do that? I mean, thank you, but like... Oh, ow. Well, shit. What the hell was that voice? What was that, French? Damn! Ah, no! Oh, still killed him. Still killed him. I'm still good. I'm still good at this game. Yes, I am. Yes, sir. Jesus Christ, 16 minutes. Anyways, I want to talk about something else. Why the hell did y'all give me 50 views when I only have 15 subscribers? Now I know for a fact y'all motherfuckers just keep rewatching that video. Like, was it that good, or is it out of pity? That I want to know. Because last I checked, it was like 53 views. You know, I'm rechecking it. Now, if you'll see here, 56 views. Also, I don't know why they're all like this, but whatever. It's weird. I mean, apart from this one video, I don't know why the rest are like this. With, like, the Joker. It's all the exact same cutscene. Like, I don't get it. Anyways, back to the game. Okay. Yeah, y'all are tripping. Huh? How are you alive? No. Yeah, you did. Oh. I'm sorry, who are you? Oh. Ow. I am so sorry. Didn't I fight you? No, wait. No. No, bro. No, 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 bro. I'm dead. If he gets his heat vision, I'm screwed. Really? That's all you're gonna do is block? I don't think I like Cyborg. Like, at all. Damn. That was weird. Fine. Thank God you're an idiot. Wow, that hurt. I almost died. Too much. Too much. Okay. Last one, boys, and then I'm ending the episode. Bruh. Of course, put me up against this impossible team. Because why not? Why not? Why wouldn't you? It's only logical. This guy literally has 2,000 HP and I'm doing 24 damage. Oh no, he's gonna use I thought it was Condoc Black Magic, but guess not. Well, she did. I don't care. You're dead. That's all that matters. Ow. Well. How will this work? If he lives, I'm going to cry. Thank you. I did it. And my grand prize is 1,000. 1,000 was all I get. Ooh, I'm in the top 5. Yeah, it's not much, but still. Let's go. Anyways, this is the episode. Please like and subscribe. Try not to ban me from YouTube, and try not to get yourselves banned. Yada yada yada, all that jazz. I don't know anymore. I'm fucking tired. I'm probably gonna edit this, post to YouTube, then go to bed. So, I'll see y'all next time. Bye.